folks, I have a soprano ukulele to show you today. This is number 771. This project came about because the customer sent me a couple of boards of walnut from a piece of furniture someone in her family made. And I was able to resaw it and chop it up to use for parts for an instrument last year. And there was still some more left over, so she decided to do a soprano. So you can see the beautiful strange figuring on the back. This is probably like a branch where a branch came in. This is what's called a crotch of a tree, where the trunk and the branch meet, and it makes for some really unusual grain, obviously. And then the sides are from the same walnut, and I used it right there too. So you can see that feathering there. That's like this part right here on the last slice. And a little bit of the fretboard too. This is from the same board. And I was able to get one where I could put the knot right there at the 12th fret. And then we've got yellow cedar top, Alaskan yellow cedar. This is comes from my neighbor's shop. He had some old boards of this. He's a flute maker. And yellow cedar, you guys know it's one of my favorite top woods. And then like a salvage neck made from cypress. Just a little rope rosette and rope end graft, and that's it for decoration. A little bit of amber in the yellow cedar top, and it's got a low G on it. Yeah, the hard part, of course, with a soprano is you want it small and light and chipper. It needs to bark and sparkle like an old soprano, but we also want a little bit of extra sustain and playability that the old instruments don't have. So that's what I'm always going for. So it turned out really good, and it's really fun to make something out of something that no one wants anymore. So yeah, 771. Thanks, Jennifer. We appreciate it. Cheers.